Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for plus NoneType and str. This error occurs when you try to concatenate, using the plus operator, a NoneType object and a string. Here's an example. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this example, x is of type NoneType and y is a string. When we try to concatenate them using the plus operator, we get the type error with the message unsupported operand types for plus, NoneType and str. The solution to this error is to make sure that the variables you are trying to concatenate are not none. You can do this by initializing the variables with a value, or by checking if the variables are none before trying to concatenate them. Here's an updated example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we initialize x with an empty string instead of none. Then we check if x is not none before concatenating it with y. If x is none, we simply assign y to z without concatenating them. This way, we avoid the type error and make sure that our code works as expected. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.